Hello everyone, welcome children to the topic. We had already discussed the rules and things. Today we'll be I'll be explaining you in details with the help of few examples. Let's see. That is, we will be changing interrogative sentences into assertive. By now I have given you the rules also and the words where when they are in interrogative sentence, how they should be changed into assertive and what are the changes. These all I have shared with you. Now let's see the examples. First example I see, I'll take that. Okay, it's an interrogative sentence. First one, let's see. Isn't this the place? Isn't this the place I love to meet? Isn't this the place I love to meet? Okay, this is the interrogative sentence, and in this sort of interrogative sentence, as per the rules, when we say that, the helping verbs will be changed into or will be shifted into the second position. First you have to do this. When you are getting a sentence, isn't this the place I love to meet? This is an interrogative sentence. Now, which is the helping verb? Is, and not is added there. So, how would be the sentence? We will move it in this way, that the helping verb is shifted to the second place. That is, this is not the place I love to meet. Okay, when we are, this is the helping verb is in the first position, we shift this in the second position. So what do we come across? This is not the place, or this isn't the place I love to meet. Okay, and as per our second sentence, or as per our first rule, what is our first rule? That is that if a sentence is negative, this is negative, not is there, isn't is there. So if I had given you the rule, if the sentence or interrogative sentence is negative, we will make it what? Positive. So what is the second step? First step we did this. Second step, when we remove not, then what would be the answer? Here, moving not, we get this is the place I love to meet. So this is the assertive sentence. I repeat again. Okay, first sentence we have, isn't this the place I love to meet? Here, what is it? That two steps we have to follow. First step, what do we do is, for in that given sentence, helping verb is in the first position, isn't. Okay, so what do we do? First step is, we make the or put the helping verb is in the second position. So our sentence becomes, this is not the place, or this isn't the place I love to meet. Okay, and now we will change the sentence and to assertive, and this is not the place. So our first rule I had given you. Okay, there a negative sentence, if the negative sentence, it is interrogative sentence is negative, to make it assertive we will make it affirmative or positive. Okay, that is, this is the place I love to meet. So this becomes the assertive sentence. Am I clear? Okay, let us take some more examples. Second example is stealing a good habit? Is stealing a good habit? Okay, here also first position is the helping verb is there. So what do? We put it in the first step. We do is we put the helping verb is in the second place. So what comes first? Stealing. So stealing is, okay, stealing is a good habit. And this sentence is what? This sentence is positive. So if the sentence is positive, what do? We make the sentence a negative sentence. So how would be our assertive? Stealing is positive sentence. So not is added. Stealing is not a good habit. Okay, this second step you can do it mentally also. Okay, so it becomes easy for you to transform the interrogative sentence into assertive. Every time you did not do this second step here, you can do it mentally also. Some more example, some third example I say, can anyone or anybody, anything. Can anyone, can anybody change his mentality? Mentality. Can anybody change his mentality? Okay, interrogative sentence. So, what do we say? Anyone or anybody. Can is helping verb. So we take that anyone, can will be negative, so cannot. Okay, anyone. Second step, anyone can change his mentality. Helping verb has come in the second position. This you can do it mentally. Okay, and the assertive sentence what we will have in place of or transform to interrogative will be anyone. This is a positive sentence, so it becomes negative. Anyone can, it will be can't or cannot change his mentality. Anyone, can anyone change his mentality? This is the interrogative sentence, and our assertive sentence comes to be that anyone cannot change his mentality, or anybody, or then anyone becomes what? You have to follow the rules. I have given you the rules. So anyone will remain anyone? No, it will become no one. Then it is no one can. No one can. Anyone change his mentality? What will be the assertive? No one. Then here it will be can. Then it will be if anyone, then can't change his personality. But here when we use anyone is changed into no one. So it will be no one already shows negation. So no one can change his mentality. Anyone can change his mentality. Anyone can't change. So that is one negative, the other is positive. Here when you write no one, anyone is changed into no one, that I have given in the rule. So it will be no one can change his mentality. Okay, let us see some more examples. Are you getting me, children? If you just follow the steps and the rules, you will be very clear. It's easy. And the second step, what you are doing, to me, if it is positive or the helping verbs from the first position, you are bringing it in the second position, that you can do mentally also. Okay, I'm just showing it for your easy understanding. Let's say more example. Fourth one I'll say. will she ever marry him? Okay, helping verbs, you know, is, was, are, were, can, could, may, might. These are all modal auxiliaries also. Will, shall, will, would. Okay, so will she ever marry him? Ever will change into what? As per the rule, never. And this is positive sentence. So affirmative, we will make it negative. So what will be? She will come in the first position. Okay, will comes in the second, and ever will become never. So she will never marry him. Will she ever marry him? No, she will never marry him. So ever is changed into never. Let's take some more examples. The who, WH word we are taking. Who, we have given you the form who plus do, don't, does, if didn't, if it is, then it will become everybody, everyone and all. So who doesn't? Who doesn't want to be rich? Who doesn't want to be rich? Okay, here what rules do we follow? You are all aware of. Just you turn the page and go with the rules I have given you. So who is followed, who plus do, don't, who plus doesn't we have here, or if it is don't or didn't in the interrogative sentence, then how do we change it? Assertive will be, assertive sentence we add everybody, that is there in the rule I had given you. Everyone, everybody, okay, and all is also added. If you have a sentence which is followed, which begins with who and is followed with do, doesn't, don't or didn't, means this is a negative sentence. Then assertive sentence will begin with everyone, everybody or all. Let us go with the example. This example we have here, who doesn't want to be rich? So what would be our assertive sentence? Who is everyone, okay, or everyone wants. This is negative sentence. Who doesn't, okay, so everyone does want. Does want means wants. Everyone wants to be rich. This is the assertive sentence. When a negative sentence is there in the interrogative sentence, to make it assertive, we will make it affirmative. That is, negative sentence will change into assertive and assertive sentence will be changed into, affirmative sentence will be changed into negative. Okay, so here everyone wants to be rich or everybody wants to be rich. All of us want to be rich. If it is all, then want. Everybody and everyone, single, so verb plus s. Okay, and that I have told you, that is want is the verb and s is added because this is a singular noun. Clear? Okay. Now same with another example I'll give you. Who, sixth example, who doesn't like to go for a picnic? Who doesn't like to go for a picnic? Okay, who and doesn't. This is a negative interrogative sentence. So we will make it positive and to and change it into assertive. So who I told you, then everybody or everyone. Okay, then likes to go for a picnic. Everybody, everyone, or all of us like to go for a picnic. Only when you write all, then it will be changed into what? The verb will be without s. All of us like to. Okay. Then if it is a negative sentence, that who gave the answer? Who gave the answer? This is positive sentence. So who again will be no one, because this is a negative sentence. So no one gave the answer. Positive sentence. Or who rang the bell? No one rang the bell. Who taught you the essay? No one taught us the essay. Okay. So that way positive sentences and negative sentences are changed into the things. Another I give, when can we reach to Antarctica? Antarctica. When can we reach to Antarctica? Okay. Then what is it? Can is the second place. So will be we can and never reach to Antarctica. This is assertive. When can we? Because it is not possible. When can we reach to Antarctica? We can never. When it's there, I have given you the list. When, then we use we can never reach to Antarctica. A few more examples I'll give you. Is there any logic? Is there any logic in your argument? Is there any logic in your argument? This is what? This is an interrogative sentence. Is there any logic in your argument? I hope you are now clear. Helping verb is, so you can make it. This is all you can. This is not the answer. This is you are doing mentally. That helping verb is in the first position. You are bringing it in the second position. So there is no logic in your argument. Okay. So this is any. Is there no logic? No. Is there any logic? Okay. And the assertive sentence I have shown you. That is, this is the interrogative. Is there any logic in your argument? There is no logic in your argument. Means it is understood. So this is how the interrogative sentences are changed into assertive. Vice versa, whichever interrogative sentences we have changed, if they are given in the assertive form, then the same change we can make it for the interrogative one. I hope you are clear with it, and if any doubts, then we will further help each other with some more examples. Have a nice time. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.